Getting disconnected. Where's my phone? Mommy. And let's start. Hi guys, welcome to my live stream today, April 20, 2022. It's actually 6:32 p.m. Philippine time. So magandang gabi sa lahat na nandito sa Pilipinas. And magandang umaga at magandang hapon sa ibang time zones. Anyway, let's start. As much as possible, let's make it quick, 30 minutes or so. So, kung may tanong kayo, then feel free to ask. As much as possible, I want to stream generally in English kasi we have a general live audience. So, syempre, hindi ko alam kung ano yung language na gamit nila. Also, same with the group, as much as possible, I'll try to communicate in English. So, anyway, I think let's start. First, this stream actually have three parts. I'll share mine for today. And then maybe the top crypto technical analysis we are looking at, the trending. And the last one, if you have some chart requests. So I hope this is, yeah, I'm just checking because sometimes I got disconnected. Wait, let me just check with the YouTube. So anyway, yeah, I just remember this one. The one that I have opened, yeah, just a few days ago. I can't even remember when was it. But yeah, as I've mentioned, the ROE is negative 500 plus, and this is actually it. It's negative 539.38%. It's actually I use 101 times leverage, and the loss that I have, this is just a hypothetical example for the realized gain or loss. Despite the high ROEs, mm, yeah, it's does not necessarily mean that you also have that high fiat returns or stable coin returns. So it still depends, even if you use a high leverage or low leverage, but with much with same position size but with a volatility. So yeah, as you can see previously over the couple of over a couple of months, I think most of my trades is actually volatile. Like for example, for today, yeah, I trade ApeCoin GMT ZIL. I think that's sum up most of my trades uh, for the previous months. Yeah, I think so. No, because I just started trading around March, and during that time, I think second or third week of March, that's ApeCoin, if I remember it correctly. So anyway, so let's go over it. I think previously I already share it. I think even yesterday, no. Though I just have some added a bit of it at the fib one. So actually for today, I actually use. I'll clean it later, or I'll try to remove the drawings later. I'll just explain mine for today. So for this one, let me just stop or remove my alerts. As you can see, most of them are actually ApeCoin and GMT. So I'll just remove it. Hmm, Baka mamaya kasi mag-alert siya. So it's better if where was it? Sorry. Where is it? I'm checking. Oh. I think, where is it? I can't even check. There. Remove all. But most of it are just GMT and ApeCoin. So anyway, so since I remove it, then yeah. I think last time we already analyzed it, and as what I've mentioned, I'm planning to go long after the breakout, which is I actually did at around 13.07, if I'm not mistaken. And actually, I opened six different sub accounts. Two sub accounts have already been hit at 15.60, and then another two sub account at $16, and then one sub account at 17.46, and the other one is actually at $20. So I still have two remaining sub accounts that still open at the moment. So yeah, that's what I did. And the stop loss, yeah, I already adjusted it 10 cents from my entry price. So I think that's it for GMT. I mean ApeCoin. Um, Actually, it's been a good gain, a good gain. Yeah, I don't know what's the ROE anyway. So I'm not much on ROEs now. I'm more focused on the fiat values. Um, so anyway, I think I the maximum leverage for this is actually 20 times depending on the exchange that we used. But for me, normally you can see me using the maximum leverage of that particular contract. So next, so I'll just remove it later after after I explain mine, no? And then another one, I don't know if it yes, I don't know. I think it's just quite good, but there's are just a lot of lines. So once after I close a bit of the position here, I actually opened three sub accounts for this GMT. Previously, the last that I did is actually yesterday. I think I have an open position right yesterday. However, before it hit a new all time high, I already got stopped out at a gain also. But yeah, it should have been better if I did not adjust the stop loss. But anyway, that's already part of my trading plan. So yeah, anyway, so let's just leave it as it is, and then yeah, um I actually watch it also. Yeah, these are actually the three ones that I watched for today, and then I entered at a 3.42, which is the current developing point of control. So my stop loss is 3.30, and my TP at 3.84. 3.84, since I use three sub accounts here, 3.84, the one is actually 390 and the other one is I think 4. So it's at different um TPs, though they have the same, almost the same entry price and the stop loss. I just want to highlight this one, the yeah, just the doji. Normally you can see me looking at it. Yeah, I think I did not short it here. I did short it here, and then I relong after here. So anyway, that's for GMT. Still currently open, no, for my long position. And the last one is uh, ZIL. I'm actually planning to long it at 10 cents because what's this? That's the my entry price previously before it hit the 23 cents. However, yeah, I forgot. I forgot. So just my entry price is I think more than or higher than 10 cents, which is I think 11 cents plus 11 0.113 plus something over something more digits after that 3 0.113 something. So anyway, on conservative note, let's just make it 12 cents. Ang kulit lang. Rounded higher. And then my stop loss at 10 cents and my TP is actually 23 cents. Though I am not, bakit 23 cents? Because I think over the next couple of days, it's actually moving from the perpetual uh, perpetual list that I have. So I think over the next couple of days, it might retest at the 23 cents previous high. So anyway, let's see how it goes. So yeah, I think that's just it for today. So it's still currently open, no? And I think the last one is yeah, I did not trade it for today, but yeah, I think I already mentioned it before that uh, KNC. I opened it previously. I just forgot when. But yeah, I can recall the entry price, which is 4.07, and then I adjusted it at 4.17 stop loss area. However, at the moment, still currently open because it did not reach 4.17. No, so it's still currently open, and my TP is around this area, $4.60. So before that, 4.85. Normally, you can see me taking profit. Uh, of course, the immediate resistance, and this is just one sub account. No? So normally I use different or more sub accounts for volatile uh, tokens that I think, like for example ApeCoin and GMT. I think that's the one that I I use more than one sub account. For BTC, I just use one sub account, and at the moment I don't have any position in BTC. Yeah, because I got stopped out recently, no. Anyways, which is this? I got stopped out at negative 539.38% ROE. But despite that, as what I've mentioned, yeah, GMT make my day, and net still net gain during that day, April 18 when I closed that. So anyway, let's see. As what I've mentioned, losses are part of trade. So I think when you trade, accept that there may be possible losses. Though our goal is to have a consistent, I mean, uh, sustainable gains. So anyway, if you have some requests, then feel free to ask, because currently I'm also watching the market. I'm actually watching ApeCoin because I still have two remaining sub accounts that's still open, and of course GMT. So yeah, I think it might even reach a new all-time high for today. I don't know. As you can see, it's still trading above the developing point of control. So which is, I think, positively might affect might affect or the buyers are or the longs are still in control of the market despite its pullback. That's just my own personal opinion. So anyway, let's see. And you can also see it in my own personal trades. So if it's a 3 point, yeah, I actually can adjust my stop loss right after this, no? Because it's already 10 cents from my entry price, or it's just 10 cents from entry price. So anyway, let's see how this GMT goes. Yeah, so far my favorite ones is actually 8 coin and GMT so far, and ZIL. Yeah, yeah, I also looking at no, let's wait, let's also try to look at Moonbeam. I'm actually planning to look at it right after this, because I think it's actually building a momentum and might possibly hit a new all-time high also. So anyway, it just as you can see, wait, let me just share it a bit. See, it's currently at resistance, and once it break out, possibly retest that 5.96 all-time high. So yeah, let's see how this moonbeam goes. But yeah, as what I mentioned, I have this as a hold, and I also trade the perpetual one. So far, did I what's this? Did I convert my gains for today? Currently not, still in the USD, but yeah, I'm planning to buy. What's I'm planning to buy? Yeah, no, it's not that. Actually, I'm planning to buy QuantX, and what's this? It's Pandora. I still don't have Pandora at the moment. Yeah, this one, my average share is I think around 10 cents. Yeah, 10 cents because I started buying it last year. So anyway, Did I put it here? Yeah, the Pindor is not yet because I still don't have it at the moment. So anyway, that's my plan, and 25% of that is still on stable coin or USDT. So that's my plan, which is I think I just add this one. Yeah, I'll not add the Solana and ZRX and FTM for this week. So maybe I'll just add it later after I already buy the actual what's this the actual coin itself. So yun lang. Do you think APE will break 17.4? Hmm. Wait, at I think so. I think so. Cause wait, let's try. Wait, let me just clear it a bit. Because currently, as what I've mentioned, I still have two remaining sub accounts that I opened at around 13.06 entry price. And my TP there is actually the all-time high. I mean the high, which is 1746, and then I no 1740. I on conservative note, I'll use the 1740, not the 1746. And then the next one is actually I don't know if it's 19 or 20. I think it's 20. Yeah, it's 20. So let's just make additional. Clone it. Let's clone it. I think I forgot this one. Though I'd wait at the breakout. So anyway, let's try to measure that and possibly 17.46 possibly. On my bias is my bias is yes. Yes, because it's a breakout, no? It's it's a confirmed breakout. So anyway, let's see. I am actually personally waiting at still at 1740 and $20. Yeah, the last two sub accounts that I still have. But I open it at around this breakout. Yeah, I think I mentioned it before, no, that I'm waiting for the breakout. So anyway, let's see. Mm, I think yes. I think yes na lang. I think yes. Okay na yan. Yeah. Personal bias is yes. Ang kulit ko lang eh. Kasi meron pa akong last eh. Actually, the biggest one, the biggest, what's this? Of all that six sub-accounts, the biggest position size is actually at $20. So, ang kulit ko lang. No? What did I use a while ago? I think I used, I don't know, I think I used what? I think I used FIB, no? If I remember correctly. I used FIB. And yeah, I use this as support. And then the resistance around there. So more or less in between 1.618 and 1.786. So anyway, let's see. But yeah, I'll just adjust it from 10 cents. Grabe naman. Maybe I'll just change it. Not 10 cents from the entry price stop loss, no? Maybe I'll just change it to market trailing stop right after the stream, no? So what's the difference from here? It's more or less $3, ano? So $3 still higher than the 10 cents, no? If ever I'll use the market trailing stop reduce only. Sometimes I use market take profit. It's still at 20, and then I just add what's this? Market trailing stop negative, like for example, negative $3. So that whichever comes first, then it will close my position. But I check the reduce only so that it will not add up to my current existing position. So yeah, depending on how you plan to trade. So anyway, I think it's much more cleaner, no? If you try to look at it, it's even yeah. I think on just conservative note, let's just use this one, no? Ang kulit lang eh. Anyway, congratulations to those who have ride this APE coin. And previously GMT naman, no? So kung mapapansin nyo, mostly I'm more on alts. I don't trade the PTC today. Yeah, because it stopped me out a few days ago. But anyway, that's just it. We cannot gain on most of the on some of the trades. So as what I've mentioned, losses are part of trades. So it's inevitable. It's inevitable. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, so do you still have questions? BTC, even if I don't look at the chart for BTC, as long as it hold at 40,000, the next resistance I'm looking at is at least 48,000, and then the support is still 40,000, break down to 38,000, which is that also the point of control I'm looking at. If it break that 38,000, 33,000, and then possibly 28,000 if it continues to go lower. O, diba? But yeah, currently now I don't trade BTC. But let's try to check on it. Anyway, let's have some update on BTC. Diba? Ang kulit lang eh. Makakabisado mo na kasi pag lagi mong tinitignan eh. Anyway, so if you have some questions, feel free to ask. As much as possible, just wanted to make it short. Make it short because I'm watching the market. So just as much as possible, just make it short. So let's just remove the drawings and then let's make a new one. Though I still have the same analysis for the BTC. Wait, let's check the EMAs. I don't know what happened to EMAs. Previously it's a golden cross. I don't know what happened now. It's actually um but it's actually a death cross. Ah, okay. Hmm. It's actually a death cross, so wait. Yeah, a few days, no? I think just because of this, no. So on that note, more or less, I'm quite bearish on it. So let's just close that. So it's at a dead cross. Yeah, I haven't seen it. I just check the EMAs now. Yeah, because I think last time it's a golden cross, no. Now it's already a dead cross. So anyway, let's see. As long as it holds, and I think it's since it consolidate a bit here. On that note, but conservative target around, of course, around this previous high, which is the $48,000. At least, no, at least $48,000. Though it can be higher if it continues to, diba? Sorry. But why I did not trade this one? Because I think there's much more possible, what's this? More possible gains. Ang kulit ko lang. Yeah, because I've been observing BTC and it's not that much. Though it's also volatile, but it's not as volatile as the one that I trade. I like the note. I just feel it. I just feel it is. So I'm looking at that more or less 39 to 40 as a support area. Breakdown, you can see around this one, 33 to possible $28,000. So it's yeah, since it's already trending higher. So on that note, more or less, yeah, it might continue to trend higher. So anyway, yeah, I'll just cheer it out. Cheer na lang without position. Anyway, hindi ko masyadong tinitignan eh. Sorry. Though I also look at it, but it's not, hindi kasi siya ganun sa akin. And possibly there. So anyway, let's see how this goes na lang. Well, Oh, why is 15? Ah, yeah, I used 15 minutes so, when I did watch the 8 coin. No? Scott talaga, no? So, yun lang masabi ko kay BTC. And what's the trending now? Yeah, I forgot that. Let's try to look at the spotlight. But it, well, I think I started 6:32, no? So, just a few more minutes before 30 minutes. 30 minutes from staying. Ang kulit ko lang. Yeah, it's also in the trending crypto, but it's not just within the top 10, no, si Bitcoin. But so far within the 24 hours, it's let's just check it a bit. No? What's this one? I don't know this one. It's not normally you can normally I can't comment much on the non-perpetual. Ang kulit ko lang yun. So, yeah, that's the biggest one, no? Pero sa perpetual, I think it's the APE coin, no? Moving the market. So, anyway, for the next few days, so what I'm currently watching, ZIL and possibly Shiba. Yun yung tinitignan ko. But Shiba, as what I've mentioned, I'm looking at 2741 Satoshi as a possible entry point, which is the point of control I'm looking at. Medyo nakabisado ko na din, no? Ang kulit lang eh. Ano pa ba? Nag-pull back a bit si Apecoin. So, let's see. Let's see na lang. Uy, GMT, it's currently 360. Oh, yay, yay. I still open at 3 subaccounts here, so I'll just cheer it out. Ang kulit ko lang. My target my target is at 384. I think 384 or 385, just close it. One there, and then 390, and I think 4 dollars. Ang kulit lang. Iba-iba. But almost the same 3.42, more or less close to that entry price. Hindi ko makabisado yung ano. So anyway, yeah, I forgot. I did not see it. Deluxe, deluxe. I think we have analyzed it before, though. What's the point of control here? Yeah, I forgot the point of control, but I think it's 180 something. Where is it? Am I disconnected? No, fortunately not. Yeah, 170. Yeah, yeah, I remember. But yeah, I did not enter it. Anyway, since it's and there's a doji over there. So next, and that's also the previous resistance. No? The point of control now 1.70, rounded higher point of control is the previous resistance here. So I expect it, well, conservative note 374 is my next target using this one. And you can also see a doji here. Why not here? Yeah, because I think it's not much, you know. Though, of course, on conservative, you can also use this one. It's just that I think it's the 3.80 dollars is a stronger one. It's because of higher visible range, no? And I think from there, $7, easy $7, in my opinion. So anyway, let's see. The support I'm looking at is at uh, here, which is also at the doji part, which is $1.28. So it's currently up 16. Yeah, I'll just watch it. So possibly it might trend. So check na lang natin on how this goes. So far, if I'm gonna trade this one, yeah, actually immediate support, of course, the 1.70 breakdown to 1.27. Sorry. So if I'm gonna enter this one, maybe possibly I'll just cheer it out. Cheer it out. Yeah, let me just check it a bit. Yeah, of course, immediate. or my stop loss, of course, this the point of control. So if ever, so immediate resistance and immediate stop loss, yeah, might not watch it. So I might possibly just watch it and share it if this is, if I plan to trade the perpetual contract. So anyway, what else? Oh yeah, si ApeCoin has been pulling back. Okay, and GMT is actually getting that share. Getting that share. Ang kulit lang eh. So, share ko na naman si GMT. Ang kulit ko lang eh. I have two sub-accounts still remaining in ApeCoin and three sub-accounts in GMT. So, manako, baka mamaya ano pa niya to ha. Baka baka mag-alaga nito na naman to. Ang kulit lang. So, anyway, yeah, yeah. Let me just remove the drawings. Yeah, but as you can see, where is the visible range? I mean the session volume. So see, um, they are taking control of it. It's 3.43. Ah, yeah, yeah, I remember because a while ago it's actually around 341 if I'm not mistaken. So they're actually getting in again to GMT. So yeah, if you have no more questions, then I might possibly end this stream because yeah, I'm also watching and trading because it might even hit a new all-time high today, in my opinion. So anyway, let's see what. Let's just try to use this one. 390. Did I? Oh, sorry. But did I use that one, the previous high and the support around this more or less area? So more or less possible four, which is I do have at $4. Yeah, if it continues, yeah, possibly. Within 480, more or less 2.618. So anyway, let's see, 380, $4 and possibly 4.88. Of course, the image support I'm looking at is the point of control, the developing point of control, which is my entry price at 3.42. Break down the previous high, which is 3.14. So medyo nakabisad, 3.14, 3.15, around that area. So ano bang pwede nating tignan? So kung wala na kayong tanong, then I might end the stream and yeah, let's just watch the market. So if questions, then ask now. Else, I'll end the stream. Kanina medyo ano din ako. Parang ako nanonood ng movie. Ang kulit lang eh. Ang exciting movie kasi syempre pag ano, wow, 3.72, push it. Oh, what happened to KNC? Yeah, I still have it, but yeah, I'll just leave it. Medyo hindi siya ganun ka-exciting tignan. Anyways, what else? Shiba. Yeah, just watch out for Shiba because I think, yeah, maybe let's try to look at this one first. Si Moonbeam. I think I already discussed it a while ago, no? Yeah, watch out for the possible breakout from here. Retest coming to that close to $6 all-time high. So anyway, let's see. The support I'm looking at is the point of control around 3.95. Diba? If you look at it, there's actually a bullish divergence over there. Hindi ko rin nakita, no? So, anyway. So, sometimes it's just okay if you try to look at the chart because sometimes you have a different analysis from time to time, no? From time to time. Hindi naman. Sometimes lang you have overlooked something, no? So you may just want to check on it. So that one I might possibly look into, and then yeah, but of course I'll set an alert on it, and then a solid breakout. I'll wait for a solid breakout here, and then what else? Shiba. I'm still looking at Shiba now. It's not. I did not have a violet one here there. Let's just remove it, and let's see if there's possibly a new analysis that we can share. Kung ako talaga maano eh. Hmm. Up. Try to look at it. There's actually over there. Meron siya. Meron siyang ano. Ba. And yeah, I'm still looking at 2741 eh. At least pag nag-breakout siya doon, mag-ano ako. Mag-go long ako. Though I'm looking at this one, 38 as my target area. Last time is just very quick ano kasi nga it was listed on an exchange which is Robinhood. Yeah, fortunately for me also I got out before it went down further. I think I tipped it at 29 something, 2941 I think, at that area. I just can't recall the exact what's that? The exact price, but more or less 29 Satoshi. So there, and let's try of course immediate support. Of course we'll use this one, the previous support area, because it it hold within that what's this 2 3 area, break down to that possibly around this 2000 Satoshi. 2000 Satoshi ba to? I think so. Yeah, at around 21 Satoshi. So I think that's it for ano. So far I don't have any positions at the moment, but yeah, I might possibly watch it if it solidly break the 2741. That's my possible entry price. So yun lang share ko, and then possibly I'll just watch it because though I'm planning to take profit at 3848, and then the all-time high. Currently I also have some holdings on it, and yeah, I'm actually looking at 10,000 Satoshi plus as a possible TP on that holdings. So anyway, let's see how it goes. Actually, I when did I bought it? So, I think a few weeks ago. I just forgot the exact time. Sorry. I can't recall. I think I did not share it on my Telegram either. So yun lang. So what's this? Oh, ang kulit lang. Winatch. Hashtag APE and hashtag GMT for today. So yun lang, time check, it's 7:11 p.m. Philippine time. How this ghost feed come in? What's right side? What does you mean? Ghost feed? What ghost feed? Ano ghost feed? Hindi ko maintindihan. Sorry, maybe could you elaborate further? What's ghost feed? Ghost? Newsfeed siguro. Newsfeed ang alam ko eh. Ghost feed, what's it? Hmm. Sorry, I don't. I don't understand much of it. Maybe you could elaborate further, no? Uy, Quan X, it's up 11%. But I'm still at a loss on it anyway. So let's go back to perpetual. Yeah, anyway, guys, if you have some token sale or initial NFT offering that you've been looking at, maybe you could also share it to us. Yeah, maybe I'll just share something, guys. This one. Yeah, remember from Play to Earn, and now we're currently doing at what's this? From Play to Earn, then moving to what's this? Move to Earn, and then what's possibly maybe Trouble to Earn, Trouble to Earn, and then maybe yeah, no, this one is maybe Farm to Earn, wherein the masses, the farmers and fishermen, the real farmers, could also come. I mean, could also adopt crypto. So that's what I'm looking into it. I just really don't know how they could possibly do that. Yeah, but I think it's also possible. And maybe on the world, save the world, save to earth. I mean, save the earth, save the earth. That's what I mean by it, save to earn. It's not the savings that we are saved. It's more on the save the earth to earn. It's more on our what's this? It's like part of the it's like part of if it's a company, it's part of the social responsibility. So parang ganun siya. So yeah, maybe I'll just try to yeah, cause I was been thinking about what's the next possible um what's this? What's the next possible trend? What's the next possible trend? Yeah. Anyway, let's see. Let's see na lang. And how about trade to earn? I think trade to earn also as traders. Ang kulit naman. Trade to earn. Go. Go. Ang kulit ko naman. So I think as traders, that's already part of our objective, no? To earn. Anyway. So yun lang. Possibly mag-ano siya. It's ano ba? Yeah. Possibly a doji. No? But yeah, we still have 12 hours and 44 minutes before it closed the day. So yun lang masasabi ko. Ano pa ba? Wala na akong masasabi ko iba. So wala na akong tinitignan pa eh. So far. So far, yun lang mga tinitignan ko. Yeah, I don't know what this Kroggy coin. Volume, hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. Although it's currently trending. I just don't know what it is. No? Oh, what happened to waves? Recently, it's one of the ano no. I just don't know what happened to it. Where is this? I think I have it here. Wait. I think let's just arrange it a bit. As to price, where is it? There. I think there's a divergence before. Oh, at least it's holding, no? Anyway, let's see. The problem just if a certain asset moves faster, it could also move faster when it goes down. Dump, pump and dump lang. No? So as much as possible, I just want a slow movement. Slow movement. Pero yung mga trade ko, ang gagalaw. Ang palit ka lang eh. Oh, it's actually correcting, no? Nagpo-pull back si ApeCoin. Anyway, si GMT, I think it's much more exciting to watch GMT from here. In my opinion na. kasi 3.43. So, they'll just watch out for a possible rejection if ever, no? Ito, oh, kapag hindi to umakyat, ah. So just watch out for it. Kasi it's currently it's a possible doji. So, yun. Yun lang masasabi ko. So, yeah, just be careful on it. So, anyway, I think that's it, guys. Kung wala na kayong tanong, then, hello, good live. Hi, guys. Hi, August TV. I think August TV ba? August TV 1 is the one that what's this? I think a few charts before. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's Gala. Can you show live? You mean that volume bar? What's the mean volume bar? Ah, you mean this one? This the volume bar? Volume bar. Ang kulit ko. Ah, yeah, sorry. This one, well, volume. We still have volume bar bala. Is that it? The volume bar, sabi niya eh. Yeah. Yeah, I normally hide it because yeah, normally you can see me trading really the one that's on the top 10 based on perpetual point. Though I also look at it, also look at it, but on the exchange itself. Anyway, so it's at least currently it's already above the average, but we still have 12 hours before it closes. So anyway, I hope it's higher than the previous one. So patas pa naman din siya. So still paganan pa rin naman siya. I don't know which coin maybe. Maybe let's try to ask which coin. Which coin? Kasi parang ngayon, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I should generally speak in English. Ang kulit lang. Though it's Taglish ha. Kasi baka mamaya hindi ko maisip yung English term ng mga ano. Ang kulit ko lang. Baka hindi ko maisip yung English term. Oh, IMF. IMX. Yeah, I think previously it's undervalued ano. Hindi pa siya nag-aano sa point of control. So, yun. No. Possibly there's a divergence over there. Let's try to look at it. Yeah, there is. See? Anyway, so possible retest coming to 2.85. This is actually a perpetual chart, futures chart. So anyway, immediate support I'm looking at is the previous high around that area, 2.03, which is also more or less, what's that? There's a bullish divergence. So on that note, of course, um, more on a bullish bias ako. And the immediate resistance I'm looking at, of course, here, around this area. Let's use this one. Around this area, 2.15, which is almost close na. Solid breakout to that, to $2.85. Immediate support at 1.89. Kapag nagbabantay ako, nag-entry na ako above that developing point of control. Kasi hindi ko siya na-watch eh. Anyways, so yun lang nasi-share ko sa IMX. So what else? Glimmer eh. Tinitignan ko siya. Ay, glimmer. I'm always saying glimmer. No, it's moonbeam. Yeah, I just don't know why. Because my mind always say it's glimmer, no? Yeah, let's. Oh, na-disconnect ba ako? I have internet, but I don't know. It's it's lagging. It's lagging. So I hope I'm not disconnected. Yeah, I'm still connected. Which coin or token? GRT. Up. Up. GRT. Okay. Yeah, I think it's the one that the August TV1 is the one that shared the gala in 12-hour time frame, if I'm not mistaken. But I don't know what happened to gala. I did not trade it. Yeah, because it's not, the volume is not much, and I think it's not within the top 10 futures I'm looking at the moment. But gala last year is one of the uh, tokens I traded, no? If I remember correctly, yeah, Gala is the one that pays my trading view subscription, premium subscription. Yeah. I remember Gala. Anyways, so yun lang. GRT, I'm not trading GRT. I think I have GRT currently staking. Yeah, I think it's even at a loss. I forgot. I forgot my average entry price. Ang kulit ko lang eh. So let's just use this one. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, I'm at a loss here. Though it's currently staking. Don't even look at the chart. Diba? Nag-ano na siya dito. Breakdown. I'm just trying to check on it. There's a divergence over there. Okay, I already seen it. There's divergence over there. Medyo maano lang, no? Oh, I don't know if the volume improves here. I haven't seen it in the top 35 or even 40. Yeah, it's not much volume. It's not even within the average. So yeah, I forgot what's my entry price here, but currently I'm at a loss here. I currently stake it. So there's a bullish divergence. So we'll use that divergence point as our support area. So anyway, let me just check it a bit. And yeah, uh, immediate resistance previously here. It's actually a triple top. So I think on the fourth try, it might break that one. So that's the immediate resistance I'm looking at. Then from there, possibly next here, around the 76 cents. So the immediate resistance I'm looking at around 51 cents. Support at 33 cents. No? Point of control is 44 cents, which is just close to the resistance I'm looking at. Kasi nagkaroon siya ng triple top. So at this point, bias is of course possibly bullish. Bullish bias. Will I trade it? Yeah, if this is perpetual, possibly I might not trade it because of a low volume. But once it improve, or maybe if it's hit at least the top 20 or 30, maybe I possibly look into it. For spot, yeah, I'm currently staking mine. Mm. So as you can see, since it's a down. I think I buy it last year. So more or less I am at a loss. I haven't checked my how many staking rewards that have been earned. Yeah, because I'm busy. I'm busy trading futures. So anyway, possibly I might not trade it. No. That's just my own personal opinion when it comes to futures. No? It did not meet my minimum risk reward ratio of at least 3. Although there is a bullish bias on that or bullish divergence. Is this any premium indicator? What do you mean? This one, the visible range. I think so. Yeah, okay. I think so. This one, the visible range and this one, what's this? The volume, what's this? Session volume. Yeah, I think so. It's more on premium. Um, the visible range, BP, S, BP, what's that? Visible range VR and volume profile kasi. Volume profile session volume is uh is a premium indicator. I think. Yeah, I think so. Kasi parang wala akong ganyan nun. Because when I'm at a free subscriber, I think I don't have that volume profile. Did I answer him? Yeah. So, yeah, August TV have shared another chart to us. So, let's see what chart is it. It's looking into what? GRT. It's on 15 minutes time frame. More on scalping. Wow, should have had 36 possible resistance area, no? Nag-breakout siya. Anyway,